Yo, so it's day 2 today. It's 7:30 in the morning. Market opened an hour ago. I just want to quickly mention I just caught a nice short on NQ. I'll be going over it in the trade recap towards the end of the video, but no, this was a good short. I targeted 160 ticks and risked 80. So I think it's $80 to $40, 1 to 2 risk on micros. So yeah, nice little trade on the paper trading account. And I never did a Monday, but I did not actually trade on Monday. Here I got the ES charts and I got my NQ charts over here. But yeah, nice way to start the day, and I'll be going over this later. Yo, so it's 2:30 p.m. right now, and I just woke up and look at this. It's like they knew my trade hit TV, you know? It's just one of these days where you trade hits TV and it's just beautiful outside. It doesn't get any better. But yeah, so I'm about to head into work. And no, I had a nice trade this morning, and I don't know why my brain was fried. I literally stayed up until 8 in the morning. So I'm gonna head out to work, have dinner, and I got my trade recap tonight. So look forward to that. Yo, I'm at work right now, and I do dishes and I do the deliveries. So I deliver Chinese food, but yo, like this trading shit gotta work. I'm not doing this for long, man. Just got off, 4-hour shift, not bad. You know, you white people so generous with your tips, you know? Couple deliveries, $55 in tips. So that's sick. And got my dates, about to have some dinner. And then finally, the trade recap.
No. There's nothing right now. What do you do?
Okay, so here we are on the charts, and I'm about to show you what I did for the day. So it's March 20th, 2024. And looking at the daily time frame, Monday had a nice high created, so I'm thinking that was probably the manipulation of the week. I don't see price really dipping back into that area for the week. I have more bearish prices, so I'm thinking it's probably a Monday high of the week, and that was the manipulation, so I was having more of a bearish bias. And looking at the 4-hour, here's the Monday high. It taps into the fair value gap and instantly rejects it, and it took these highs right here, so, and flipped instantly, right? So I'm having more of a bearish bias for today. And so I usually trade PM session, but today I was just up during the morning session, so I traded morning, and I caught a nice trade. So let's drop down into the hour. So on the hour, we do have this inverse that I had marked out. Came out, closed under, came right back up and rejected, right? It rejected, and if you see this little tiny fair value gap right here, it came up into it and dropped straight down. So I'm thinking, okay, it's definitely bearish today. It's definitely gonna hit some bearish prices. What would it hit? We have the new week opening gap over here. We have all these inefficiencies, and we had this low. So I was targeting one of these lows. Dropping down to the 5-minute. So let's cut this off. Where's the replay session? Let's do that. So this is what kind of where I was looking at, and this is here. I'm thinking, okay, this is the Judas swing of the day. This is the manipulation for the day. This is the midnight open, so we're consolidating manipulation and distribution right here. So I'm thinking this is oh my god, no one saw that. Distribution for the day, and since it's distributing, where would it hit? So the new week opening gap is sitting right under, and if I drop down into a 1-minute, I can show you what I was looking at. So, oh, before I do that, let me show you what I was looking at in the 15-minute. So price came up into the 15-minute, and in the 1 hour, that's the consequent encroachment of the 1 hour fair value gap. So it came up, instantly rejected, and I'm thinking, okay, for sure it's going to be bearish now. And that was right there. So that's before market open. So I'm thinking, okay, if it's bearish, what's it aiming for? It has this low right here, and it has a new week opening gap right under. So that was what I was targeting, and not actually in terms of my trade, but in terms of where I want to see price go. Okay, sorry about that. My recording, like, I don't know, like it glitched out or some shit, but here we go. So this is the trade I took for the day. And what I do is I target 160 ticks and I risk 80, so 1 to 2 RR. Not bad, but as I was saying, I wanted to see price from here take these lows into the new week opening gap, and it's obviously easy to say after the fact we're seeing it right now, but I will try and get my word for it beforehand next time. But yeah, that's where I wanted to see it go. And right here I saw the market structure shift right here in price, and I like to take a 3-minute or 5-minute market structure shift because I don't know, I've used 1-minute market structure shifts before, and it's not as reliable, right? So right here beneath the slow comes right back up, and you set fair value gap right there. It perfectly fills it out, and I just got in as soon as it dropped a bit below. Scary wick, very scary wick right here, but I stayed calm, stayed composed, and my stop loss was right there. So didn't tag my stop loss and ended up just zooming down into these lows and into the new week opening gap. So very happy about this trade because not only did I mark out the perfect entry, but I also envisioned where it was going to go. Like later on, like when I develop my trading skills, I'm trying to slowly break into aiming for these lows and the new week opening gap, right? But for now, I'm gonna stay at the humble beginnings, and I'm gonna start nice low. So, and also like, I want to think this trade was a good trade, but at the same time, who knows? I could have just been like gambling in a sense, right? Like, it looks like a good trade, but I'm not knowledgeable enough yet to know whether or not that these are the market conditions to be doing it, right? So maybe I'm thinking too much, but overall, good trade. And yeah, just trying to take it day by day. And I didn't really look at the PM session, honestly. Let's have a look right now. I have really no idea what happened. Let's say a nice little trade to start the week. And Monday I didn't trade because no news Monday. It was really slow. I just didn't see anything, so I just didn't end up trading it. Let's just check out the higher time frames. So, oh shit. Ended up, oh no, never mind. Yeah, ended up coming up higher. We have an inefficiency right here. Let me just move this brother right here. Yeah, please and thank you. Okay, taps in, respects it. Look at the bodies. The bodies stay right above it. So let's have a look at what bullish prices it could be reaching for maybe. So this fair value gap's still valid. There's these highs. Look at the 4-hour. What are we looking at here? Possible, I forgot what that type of block was called. Yeah, I'm retarded. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna go to those prices. I'm really thinking it's bearish prices for the week. We have some nice targets to hit. So yeah, that's gonna be the charting session for tonight, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.